but we'll see.
Yo.
What up? Yo. I'm looking at this little area we at, but I don't know. Yeah, right here.
That's all I need to hear.
We ain't doing shit, man. Yeah.
Need to hear.
The only thing right now is Antonio play if that shit shoot down, but that shit ain't done nothing after doing all that yesterday. A daily, let's see. Yeah, the daily ended up closing bearish yesterday. The last little second pullback, but it rejected all this though. So all the lows from the whole year got cleared out yesterday. Back, this is January right here, and it got cleared. We'll see what's going. Roger, you got the job already?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, your ass be getting up. Like, you be just going ahead and getting over there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I don't think we got nothing until at least 8:45. Someone called me or someone texted me and asked, and I called them between 8:30 and 9. And I was like, I'll be trading during that time, but I don't really think anything is going right now. Like I said, you got the Tonio play a little, or not. Yeah. I guess you can call it a Tonio play of closing them, respecting this and like wicking down and breaking the high. But I like how we were trading yesterday. I wanted to stick to that. I'd rather just stick to that. But let's see, since last night or this morning, whatever, at 2:45, ain't shit really happened. But if we get a closure under here in like 5-10 minutes, it should be straight. I wonder if it closed on the 5, that'd be straight. I don't really like too much using the 5-minute, but if it makes sense, it makes sense. But this is the 15-minute support, which is also 5-minute support. If it in fact closes below this 5-minute support, that is rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. You actually get a candle closure under with a wick up. It should be straight. As far as buys, probably looking above. Unfortunately, this area, all this shit. This is interesting though. I don't want to get stopped up right here either, but we'll see. We will definitely see. Let's see.
I'm just here just to create a little buffer.
Basically. Huh. Do we want to close below this shit and go? Like I said, I'm looking at this little resistance area that it's at, but like in reality, that shit should come down, break these wicks, and continue down. I mean, if it just keep going and don't leave enough range, yeah, there it go. Yeah, once it broke that little low right here, you could have anticipated that it would go ahead and fall, but I'm not really in a rush right now. This was the previous candle low. Damn. It's a lot of range. We'll say. When we break this low, it should continue too. Damn. Ooh, boy. You can't call this, huh? It flipped back down and 266 bit.
Yeah. Hit that same resistance.
What did you say, Tonio?
No, I was talking to myself.
Oh, okay.
That same spot.
Do I want to? Yeah. See, now it's closing right at this support. Let's see how this opens. Yeah. Nah. It rejected that, bruh. Like you said, same spot. Damn. Set the sell or buy limit, Tonio. That's 100. I always said we can't do it on no damn falling knife. That's crazy as fuck.
Like it's gonna keep going down.
Yeah, if it
On the
flips.
5 minute.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. But I mean, you ain't really got that much range. If it does flip down to the same support, what is it? Guess it ain't terrible. And that's crazy. That's 40. It's pushed up about 70 so far though, but and it's not rejecting off of anything really. But if it flips, it should go. It should go. That's because it did close below here, rejecting out of there. It is rejecting out of something. What you say, Roger? Fuck it.
Yep.
I would assume it can come down to that support. All right, I'm gonna go lower lot. I'm gonna go 4 if it re-breaks its low. Let's see. Go 4 lot. I should go 5 actually. Because like I said, gotta get back into that mode of cutting it if it goes wrong. And so let's see. 82.9 is what I have. Let's get it shook together.
Stop filled.
Fuck. Damn.
Order filled.
All right, I took 30 because it tapped into my yellow line. All right, cool. Ooh, that shit jumped, boy. It slipped me bad. 82.3 was my entry when I had it at 82.9, but whatever. And now it's filling this out. But all I wanted was 77 area. And it tapped it, pulled back a little bit, but all good. I got a few extra pips on my Copier account. So while I ain't ideally trying to just make a $100 and $200, it's not a bad start to the day.
Them kind of plays, you gotta hold down.
You think so? At a support?
Yeah.
That it just rejected out of?
No, I'm telling you, bro. Gold is not. It's not the same rules no more.
I mean, it rejected out of here 1 time, 2 times.
Not the same, bro.
Yeah, I've seen plus 30 turn into losses too much for me to not take what's on the table. Like you said, it's just a buffer.
Then you just cut it. If it go back up, just cut it. Re-enter.
That's
really how it is.
Man, that's true. I like what we was on yesterday of the clean ranges when we was catching 80, 90, 100. Like I seen 45, 50 on that, but it pulled back up. So I was just like, I tried to close at 160 something, 170 something. It got me out at 150, which is cool. It's no big deal. But let's see. I'm up over, or no, I'm at 51,278 and 51,439. So we'll see what we can do. Shit, keep re-breaking them lows. But it's another opportunity to sell here soon. Which is crazy. Let's see.
Man, it's crazy. I wasn't able to change my lot size, so I only took 1 year.
150. 150. Let's see if it closes below in 30 seconds. We just using this damn 5 minute. This is insane.
Man, this is dumb far. I'm glad I didn't. Man,
Let's see how this opens.
Man,
10 seconds.
I'm glad I didn't take that contract, boy.
5 seconds. 2, 1. Let's see how this opens. Yeah. I'm entering again on the flip. The flip down. 4.1 is my entry.
Stop filled.
Let's see if it go. I just had it above the 5 minute high. So if it get me out, it just get me out. I want that shit to just go. 49 points. Come on now, stop playing around.
Dang, I'm tripping.
What Roger say? If you start playing around? Yeah, nah.
Order filled.
They say that. I bet you would come back. Man, it's about to flip. There you go.
Order filled.
All right. I re-entered on the sell again, but I'm hoping that wasn't a bad decision to re-enter. That's why I got to just let it either hit stops or
Stop filled.
Nah. See, that's that shit though that I be talking about, Roger. Where I'm like, is it too late to get it out or get in again? You know. But let's see for it's all good. Don't want to do nothing dumb. Rather just keep it where it's at. I bet you if it re-break is low now though, but it's just pushed up so much at that point. But let me keep it calm before I do anything stupid. Keep it calm. Like I said, I cut it and got back in because it flipped again. And that's what we was talking about. Just like sometime it might work, sometime it might not. Let's see.
You said it again.
I'm considering it now that we done made a higher top wick after closing below this support over here and this support. It don't look bad. Let's see. We'll see how this, if it comes back down towards that area, because you are about 2-3 minutes away from the 15-minute closure, but we'll see. Let's see. Because is it hitting anything like 1 hour supports or anything? Yeah, maybe like this little area right here, but I still anticipate it will come down at least into this support. But let's see. Let's see. Because now we're at an area in which on the 15-minute we're about to close bearish, but are we rejecting out of shit? This shit about to come up, huh? If it closed respecting, let's see. So, I'm not worried about that.
Boy, coming this way, boy. You wake up earlier, you get in worse traffic. All these schools.
Yeah, you are in the thick of the school day, or school mornings, I should say. I need a good trade for like a smooth 400. I need that shit to fly to TP. No looking back. I'm looking at how we potentially can be rejecting out of all these resistances right here. Let's see. All these resistances right here. And if we are, does it want to start making its way back up? That's something that I'm like, it's not bad if it, because of the 5 minutes closing green, but this, and now it's rejecting out of here. Oh, yeah. If it closed below, bro, I might be on that same sell idea. But if it closed respecting, I don't know. Yeah, see, nah, that closed above. Not surprised that we're rejecting out of here after the 5 minute closing green. If this can flip back down, come grab down here and then go up, maybe, but nah. Yeah, see, there it go. I'm filling this out on the 5 minute. Right there. See, bruh, that's what I'm talking about. Like, why can't this shit just go when I'm in it? 70. I don't even need all that, bruh. But now that it done made the top wick, it might flip back down on the 5 minute and come on down, but you just never know since it closed above respecting this resistance right here. So let's just wait it out.
Yeah, because it's acting nice too.
Mm-hmm. Tap right into this area. Sell limit. No bottom wick.
Stay right here.
Close above.
Yeah.
On a 5 minute.
Stay right here, man.
I know. I'm looking at the same thing. I hate how you don't have a stop loss. It need to stay there and it needs to wick down. Which I'm like, I don't know if it's gonna do both. But the 15 minute just closed bearish as hell. This is kind of crazy though. Damn. What are we doing? I was kind of looking at this area as an area that, you know, could potentially stop up at, but who knows? If it left the wick to fill, you still fucking with it. Not bad. Not bad, for real. But if it closed respecting this, wicked up first, I would not be surprised if it can't start making its way down, at least fill out some of this. So I'm open to either idea. Closure above here, potentially taking it into here, or a closure respecting this, wick up first, come down, fill out at least half of this out. Because ultimately we should be trying to make our way down, but you can piece it together by either taking the buy to cover up some of this wick or taking the sell, respecting out of here, coming down. If it closes too high up, I'm probably not gonna fuck with it since it's still early in the day. I do got to go into the office at 9:30 or 9:45, 9:50, but It'll be all right. You got some time. I need to see exactly what I want, though. I need to see a little weight down, respecting this area, if it's going to come up or if I want it to come up. Five seconds. All right, let's see what we're doing. This isn't. Ooh, come on, come down. That's a little high up. Fuck. It can come all the way down here. Okay, maybe. If it would have closed closer to here, that'd been better. Now it closed 20 some or 40 pips above the range. And it's doing what anticipated, but it don't got no bottom wick. It's just filling it out. Damn it. Can it come flip down, tap this, and flip again? We'll see.
There you go.
On the flip, I want to see it tap my area, but I'm looking. Oh, there you go. All right. If it flip back up, I'm gonna get in. Ooh, it's close. It's tapping right out of the area that we talking about. What is that? 0.9, 83.9. There ain't much range. You be saying hold in there. I'm like, bro, I can't. But if I can get the whole 89 area, 88, 89 area, I'm cool. Let's see if they want to do it though. Ain't much. There's some time actually. It is some time. 3/24. What we be saying? If it's gonna go, it need to go. I'm dead ass though. All right, let's see if it want to get me in.
Stop filled.
All right, let's go. Run up, run up, run up, run up, run up. Come on, break that high again. Break that high again. Break the high.
Order
Let's go.
filled.
Let's go. Let's go.
That's good.
Good shit, my boy. Good shit, my boy. Good call, Raj. Our usual call 53 on that. Tapping right into this resistance right here, found on the 15-minute time frame. Boom. Boom. 5-minute candle closed above, started making its way up, came down, tapped into this support right here. Flip entry, boom. Stop loss hit or break even hit would have been hit. Got my target of 89.3. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. Great exit. Great exit. Let's see. So how much am I up on those accounts for today? 440, 460, 450, 450. That's not bad. So I'm at 1748, 1583, 5089, 899, sorry, and 50452. So I'm getting back right. I'm definitely getting back right on those accounts. And on the accounts I took a loss on, I'm at 5355, 48 828, which ain't great, and 49 187. So got some work to do on those, but all good. Yeah, what you at today for today, Roger, and profits?
This is the 120.
Oh, okay. You just trying to maintain, huh?
Yeah.
What you say though, do nothing stupid, bro. That's all it come down to for you now. Don't do nothing stupid. Right there, bro. It get wicked, boy. He said, "Let me get up." I'm robbing the bank. Robbing the damn bank, boy. When I seen this high break right here, I knew what was going on. I'm gonna get at least a little something out of there. That push up. If yeah, bro, I backed it up. So I was like, shit, it's 87.3, but let me put it to 89.3 or 88.7. I got a little extra 6. Got a little extra 6.
I'm in the chat though with y'all boys. Finna head in.
All right, bro. Like I said, I'm gonna see what else I'm trying to take.
Yeah, I might
But
be
that was
done, to
cool.
be honest.
You say you done?
Probably so.
Yeah. Don't
Unless
stress
now
it.
trading just presents itself.
Yeah, we'll see. Got a sale coming up. Tapping of resistance. That is range just so small. Well, it's not terrible, but I'm gonna just wait on 9. Either you a rebel or what we doing. If it closed like this, we gonna need at least another little 15-minute candle, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. We not doing nothing right now. Struggling on this flip. Probably would have taken some profits by now, I guess. It did tap into this area perfectly, which is that support to the left right there. So, I mean, you would have caught your little, it was like 35, 40. Not bad at all. But we just hanging in no man's land right now. I'm kind of just cool. Unless if we close below this now, that would be not bad off of the 15-minute respect in this support. But we'll see. Right now, we just in chilling. We ain't doing nothing. There you go. It's finally tapped into that little area how it should, but I don't know about this. It just keep on tapping out of that support, bro. And look at the 5-minute price action. You just making lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low. Until this shit close below and start breaking shit. Can't really do nothing yet. Damn, 5 minutes? What you doing, man? There we go. Now, if this 5-minute closes below this support right here, and I get a top wick, which is the new top wick for the new 1 hour candle after the bearish candle closes below, I would consider this. But I need a top wick because a 15-minute just closed respecting. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna do it. Need something. Need something. Push up. Continue to push. Nah. That wasn't enough. See, it's doing it again. It came down, flipping up, and like it's just doing a lot right now. And if it pushed like all the way up into here, you definitely could get in on the flip. So let me see what's going with that. Come on now. Come down. Or come up first. I'm just doing somersaults right now. Yeah, it's breaking its own lows again. Anticipating more of a top wick than this though. Yo, 15 minutes. 15-minute close respecting this area. If you're looking at it just like this, you can honestly say we kind of coming down into here after breaking this low potentially, but we'll see. So I'll move my lines again. So closure below here. When it breaks below here, it probably should come down, but then at that point, you let all this happen just to get in 100 pips stop. It's like, nah, with no top wick. So it definitely might come down though still, but I'm just not in a real rush to take this specific trade when I want somewhat of a top wick on the 1 hour candle, right? Like 1 hour candles usually have top wick. Sometimes they don't. So let's just see. Like I said, if this candle can break its own high and like rush up for 30, 40, 50, I might take the flip back down. Right now, just kind of holding it down. It didn't break that low either on 15, so it's just respecting that resistance. Uh-oh. All right, when this flips back down, I'm going to take a sell. Anticipating that it grabbed enough high to come down. It's like 79.1. 79.1. Anticipating that if we flip back down, we should be able to grab something of this. I don't love how the 15-minute is bullish, closed bullish right here. And it didn't break it. But if it flips back down and you're going off of the higher time frames, which is the 1 hour closed below here. So we'll see. All right, so let's see if you want to do that. Let's see though. It just broke the previous candle highs, which is good. Now, if it were to flip back down, that wouldn't be bad. Now, if this candle closes like strong bullish above everything, I wouldn't be surprised if it started making its way up, honestly. We'll see. I have a smaller lot running. It's just a 2. Ain't really nothing crazy. Just in case price want to go haywire at all. But let's see. It's definitely looking like we making a top wick to come down. That's what I would think is happening right here. the way it's kind of like playing around and coming back down, whatever the next 5 minute candle is, you can really use that high as your stop if you don't want to just cut it at a random 40, 50. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Price just respected this 5 minute resistance right here, opening up with no bottom wick. So if I were antsy, I get in on that entry. I ain't gonna lie to you, but I'm gonna just let price flip back down on the 1 hour again. About a 75 pip stop right now, technically. If you were to use this 5 minute high, if it keeps re-breaking this high, obviously it'll get more or get bigger, but I rate this a pretty good move. It's just kind of something me and Roger been looking at over the last couple of weeks. Just basically seeing a candle close on the higher time frames, close below. It made a bottom wick, but you're anticipating if it were to come up, grab these highs, and ultimately flip back down, you can sneak at least 40, 50 of these. Even the wick fill alone off of the 5 minute candle, just even down to here, is 88. So we should be able to fill at least 50, 60 of this. Let's see. Like I said, it's kind of playing around a little bit. I just have a 2 running, as mentioned. I'll take a minus 40, 50, $180, $100. Not tripping about it. Just as a disclaimer. Pretty much maxed out my best accounts. Took a loss on my other accounts. I don't want to do too much. Let's see if it gets me in. It's close to flipping back down. All right, got close to my entry. Close.
Stop
right,
filled.
Just flip. I'm in 79.1. 86.2 is my stop. Let's see how much this wants to go. I'm up 80, 90, 100. Boom.
Order filled.
Caught 60 on that. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yup. Good exit. Good exit. Good exit. That's how you do it, bro. Exactly, bro. That's what we do, bro. We getting back to the basics, man. We getting back to our basics. I don't know what other niggas got going on. That's just what we doing. That's what we doing. Great exit. Look at that. Boom. Perfect. I wanted this area, but I saw 60 plus and was like, let me take my money. So yeah. Woulda, coulda, shoulda dragged the stops in the profit, but I left about 40-ish on the table. $40. So yeah, bro. I think we should call it a day, y'all. I don't know. What y'all think? I don't know. I mean, I could. Yeah. Okay. Gang say they done. I'm done. So, all right, y'all boys. I'll be on tomorrow. That was great trades today. Just one didn't go my way, but off of this same type entry. But Roger, I'm loving this flip entry, dog. We might have found something with that. So good shit, my boy. But all right, y'all. Let's get back on this shit tomorrow. Y'all be easy. Appreciate it, YouTube.